What's the meaning of appreciate? Appreciate. Appreciate.
Appreciate. Appreciate. Appreciate can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally speaking, it means to recognize or value the worth of something or someone. It can also indicate gratitude or thankfulness for a particular action or kindness. In addition, it may refer to an increase in value or price over time. Ultimately, the word appreciate is a versatile term that conveys the idea of recognizing or valuing something's worth or significance, whether that be a person, an object, or an abstract concept.